Assalamu alaikum and good day to all of you. We will be presenting our innovative takaful product called RE Protect I. The research was conducted by 5 members including Azim as the team leader, Farid, Saiful, Wahida and Firdaus. Climate change is one of the major global issue and need to be addressed immediately. At the moment, initiatives for green environment almost none in the market via takaful. In 2019, B&M issued a paper discussion on climate change and principle-based taxonomy to facilitate financial institution in identifying economic activities that contribute to climate change. In view of the above, we are the researcher from AAGBS come out with the solution called RE Protect I. Next, the objective of this product is to promote green environment via takaful product. Next is to implement the VBI from B&M. Lastly, to propose a green takaful product. To ensure the novelty and originality, there is almost none of green takaful product that is specific focus on renewable energy. This product is a green takaful product for houses, building and plantation called RE Protect I. This are the comparison between our products with the general takaful products in the market. Ours specifically focus on renewable energy benefits. As for the social responsibility, RE Protect I enabling the takaful roles to enhance VBI. Next, it will play important roles to promote green environment to the community and encourage people to use more renewable energy.
Moving on to features of RE Protect I. This product covers fire, lightning and domestic explosions. There is additional coverage for renewable energy equipment. Other features are mostly similar to other general takaful products except for eligibility. In order to subscribe for RE Protect I, the property must be equipped with RE equipment first. Next is the benefits of this product. First, IBRA will be given on certificate renewal based on percentage of usage. Use more RE equipment, they can enjoy more IBRA. Furthermore, additional IBRA will be given for new installation of RE equipment. Other than that, participants can claim tax incentives for green initiative.
RE Protect I is a complete product and ready to be commercialized. The total annual contribution of RE Protect I depending on the underwriting requirements and the perils customers opted. This is subject to minimum of RM32 for domestic customers and minimum contribution RM72 for industrial and plantations customers. Wakala fee is 55% from the contribution. RE Protect I is in the process of application of intellectual property from Business Innovation and Technology Commercialization Center, University Technology Mara. From the researched, RE Protect I show a wide market potential in Malaysia. According to Sustainable Energy Development Authority, SCY035 2020, there are over 4.12 million buildings with solar rooftop potential in peninsular Malaysia alone. The most potential participants is from residential homeowner which is contribute 60% of the customers, while commercial and government-owned building and plantation owner contribute 20%.
In a nutshell, there is a huge demand for green takaful market. 73% of our respondent will subscribe for green takaful product. There are also other potential sector that green takaful can delve into such as transportation and automotive, factory and machinery industry and technological sector. Last but not least, green takaful can promote more people to use RE in the future. The best thing is, you can save money while protecting nature.